Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, front-wheel drive, compass, trip computer, day-night rear-view mirror, outside temperature gauge, cloth seat trim, perimeter alarm, engine immobilizer, tinted glass. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.